In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom email in Shopify. We're going to walk through how to find your email notifications inside Shopify, customize the subject line and message, and then preview your changes so you can see exactly what your customers will receive. By the end, you'll know how to make your store emails feel more on brand and personal without needing to be a coding expert. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look down to the lower left corner and find the settings option. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new screen with a menu on the left-hand side. From that left panel, look for notifications and select it. Inside the notifications section, make sure you're on the customer notifications area. This is where Shopify stores all the automated emails that get sent to your customers, like order confirmations and shipping updates. Now you'll see a list of different notification emails. These might include order confirmation, shipping confirmation, abandoned checkout, and more. Choose the specific notification email you want to edit. For example, you might start with the order confirmation email since that's one of the first messages customers receive after purchasing from your store. Once you click on a notification, Shopify will show you a preview of that email. This preview helps you understand what your customers currently see. To customize it, look to the top right of the screen and click on Edit Code. This opens the HTML code for that email template. Don't be intimidated by the code you see. You can make simple text edits safely. For example, you might change the email subject line from something like order/name confirmed to a more friendly line such as thanks, customer, first name, we got your order, name. Notice those double curly brackets. That's Shopify's way of inserting dynamic information, like the customer's first name or order number, so be careful not to delete or break those parts. You can also update the body text. For instance, you might change a basic "thank you for your purchase" to "thank you for shopping with us." Scroll through the HTML and look for the words you want to change. Focus on the readable text and avoid changing unfamiliar code unless you know what it does. If you're more advanced, you can add a new code block, but it's completely optional. When you are happy with your changes, go to the top of the screen and click Save near the search bar. Wait a moment for Shopify to apply your changes. Once it's done, click Preview in the top right to see how your updated email will look to customers. If something doesn't look quite right, you can go back, tweak the text again, save and preview until you're satisfied. That's it. You've just customized your Shopify customer email notification so it better reflects your brand and speaks to your customers in your own voice.